What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you guys. I'm finally back home, super tired after all the driving, but I came home to probably the most fantastic news one could ever see, and that is Musk says Tesla will accept Bitcoin again as crypto miners use more clean energy. Guys, I told you, patience always prevails. For all the diamond handers, congratulations to each and every one of you. We did it. We were able to stomach the tough, volatile times as so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt was spreading the market. But finally now, we're seeing what? The recovery. And in my opinion, this is only the beginning. Also, shout out to my barber. He actually got me right, so looking kind of clean now. Not so much. The beard is gone. Hopefully it's going to grow back, and again, we'll go from there. But regardless, what does this mean for Shiba Inu and to the SHIB army? Guys, with all the catalysts that are up and coming, this was exactly what we needed at this time. Shiba Swap, the demo came out earlier this weekend, which was super exciting. Shytoshi is actually going to have me do some testing as well. So hopefully here in the near future, I'll give you guys another perspective for Shiba Swap. Now, so Tesla's CEO Elon Musk on Sunday said that the company will resume Bitcoin transactions once it confirms there's a reasonable clean energy usage by miners. When there's confirmation of reasonable 50% clean energy usage by miners with positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions, Musk wrote on a tweet. The electric car maker halted purchases with Bitcoin in mid-May due to concerns over how mining contributes to climate change. So as you guys know, in the overall market, right around mid-May is when we saw the overall pullback. That was pretty significant, but now loving what we're seeing. Shiba Inu up almost 6%. Super excited. Now, before I continue on for the video, I do want to mention, guys, four more days to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Take advantage of the free money. It's from Webull to you, and they also, of course, give me 1 free stock for everybody that signs up and deposits money into their account. So once you deposit with 100, you get a chance to get a $2,300 two stocks valued up to $2,300, and 1 in 50 of you, the SHIB army members, will be able to get the stock, which is potentially Google, that's worth around $2,000 just there. And also BlockFi, get your free Bitcoin. Don't let these opportunities go past. Get your free Bitcoin with the deposit money into your BlockFi account. Now, let's go back into the video. I don't want to take too much of your time. Now, the overall market, everything follows Bitcoin, and you guys can see it. Love it. When you see Tether, where people hold their money when the market's pulling back, when you see it dip down like this and you see everything else recover, fantastic price action. And again, the bulls are coming out. Cardano back over 150, Dogecoin over 32 cents, Bitcoin heading to 39, probably 40K. I'm really excited to see it hit 40K because the momentum is going to continue to shift as we see Bitcoin recover and correct back, hopefully to all-time highs. Ethereum heading towards 2,500, but Shiba Inu, SHIB army. This was literally the perfect thing that happened this weekend. You guys see, we were consolidating pretty low for a while, but after the news came out, little by little, we saw a fantastic recovery. So we got up all the way to the 700 Satoshi unit mark, pulled back a little bit, nothing too significant. The room for growth is vast. And again, I'm really excited to see what happens moving forward for the rest of the week. Of course, we know the petition. 132,000 folks have signed the petition to get Robinhood listed on, Shiba Inu listed on Robinhood for Shiba Inu coin. So for the SHIB token holders, you guys have been patient, and I keep telling you guys this. The market is just it is a vehicle to shift money from those who are impatient to those who are patient. If you believe in cryptocurrencies, or if you believe in a company, what you do is you pounce as it dips and it dips and it dips, because you feel deep down inside that, hey, yes, it's hard to see this right now, but one day it will recover. And guess what? In my opinion, I think the recovery is imminent, and it's only the beginning. And why do I say it's only the beginning? Shiba Swap. The demos are coming out one by one. For all the fudders saying that it wasn't a real thing, guess what? What did Shytoshi say on Twitter? Go hug a fudder. Goodness, tongue twister. Hug yourself a fudder. So if you know someone that's spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt, instead of replying at them and saying, hey, why are you saying all this? Blah, 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 giving them some negative responses, instead be like, hey, just give me a hug, man. Just give me a hug. because all they do is spread FUD, and those FUDers are actually going to come back and buy into Shiba Inu because they know the potential is there, especially after the demo is out. And again, that just builds utility. It's the fact that Shiba Inu is going to have an exchange with new assets that are going to be available, Bone, right? And Leash. Right now you can actually buy Leash, but regardless, more and more of it's going to be in circulation, as guess what, more and more people will be able to start trading the assets, swapping for the assets, and also digging and burying for the assets. So again, so much potential moving forward. Now, the fact that Tesla is going to start accepting Bitcoin, right? All that they're waiting for is confirmation from the miners. But the fact that Elon even mentioned this, we saw what it did to the market. And we saw what happened when they withdrew or stopped accepting transactions. We saw the crypto market pull back. So much uncertainty created paper hands, right? The diamond handers couldn't diamond hand anymore. But for those who were able to diamond hand and buy the dip, now you're seeing some fantastic recovery and some fantastic gains, because we know Bitcoin pulled all the way back to right around that $32,000 mark, right? 32K. If we let's just go back real quick here, because Bitcoin, the market follows Bitcoin. But if we look at the last few months here, so again, pretty much mid-May, when Elon stated, he tweeted saying that we're no longer accepting Bitcoin for payment due to the fact that it's not maybe using clean energy. Boom, we saw this thing pull back significantly. And look, we saw the dip of the dip, 31,748 on June 8th, 5 days ago. So if you were someone who was able to stomach and buy the dip, you made a significant killing just in the last 7 days or so. Same thing for Shiba Inu. We know at all-time highs it was at 3,600 Satoshi units, pulled back heavily since. And this week actually we saw it pull back to 5,600 Satoshi units. Or no, 560 Satoshi units. So if you were able to buy the dip at the bottom, congratulations to you. You guys know I'm super transparent. I even bought it on camera. I've been buying as I saw this thing pulling back. And again, in my opinion, not financial advice. Rather, I try to put you guys in the place that I am. I can't tell you whether to buy or sell cryptocurrency, but what I could tell you is my recommendation and what I'm doing. So for me, I bought the dip, and anything under 700 Satoshi units, in my opinion, is basically the biggest opportunity you'll get with Shiba Inu. Because once this thing starts ripping, which is going to very soon as the Shiba swap is released, as soon as Robinhood gives us an official answer or official news that they are going to launch and accept Shiba Inu to be listed on their exchange, it's game over. This thing is going to get back to its all-time highs, in my opinion, and surpass it by a long shot. So again, I want to make sure everybody's in the loop of what's been going on. This is why the crypto market is recovering, because of the tweet from Elon and from the news. Again, CNBC did cover it on their website. But the man has a lot of power, guys. We know it. People follow. People really like Tesla. Again, by market cap, one of the biggest companies. He is the richest man in North America, probably in the entire world, publicly speaking. So again, the fact is that, again, Tesla did reveal in an SEC filing in February that it purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, and it would begin accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. So as soon as that was revealed back in February, we saw Bitcoin go to its all-time highs, right? All the way, just kept going up and up and up and up, all the way to where? Around that 64, 63,000. So right now, if you're looking at, diversifying your portfolio, maybe adding Bitcoin, probably not a bad idea to consider doing so, because all the catalysts are coming about. In addition, new catalysts came out as well, like the El Salvador as a country is accepting Bitcoin as a payment method, and they're accepting Bitcoin as, again, a form of currency. So not just a payment, but a form of currency in their country. And that's only the beginning. So again, if you pounced, congratulations to each and every single one of you guys. Shiba Inu and the SHIB army, be strong. Our time is coming, slowly but surely, but our time is coming. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Glad to be back home. Glad to be back to my normal setup, my camera, my microphone. I'm just super excited. The haircut, let me know down below if you guys like the haircut. Something a little different. Did get rid of the beard. I know you guys talk about the beard quite a bit. But thank you so much for tuning in, guys. And until next time, then, SHIB Army, keep investing.